This is a final video to fix your pixel stuck at the lock screen and not unlocking after reboot. Are you facing this annoying problem where your phone won't respond no matter what you try? This usually happens because a system glitch or a recent update confuses a phone's security check, leaving it frozen on the lock screen. Many solutions on YouTube and social media ask you to download complicated tools or follow long steps that are hard to understand, and most of them don't even work. But today on Rexist, I'm going to show you a secret, easy trick that solves this in just a few taps without risking your data. All you need to do is access the safe boot mode, clear the small cache that blocks the unlocking process, and restart your phone, and it will respond normally again. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to do it safely, comment below and I'll guide you through every move.